Get ready. The competition is getting tougher each and every year. It tests their skills.
We want to win.
We're at the AMC competition in Chicago.
Competition is simulated events that use your skills as an aircraft mechanic to compete against 90 different teams with all different skill sets and backgrounds.
American has been a strong supporter of this, and we see this as just a great opportunity to really cultivate a greater interest in the industry.
We have 6 teams, but we're also sponsoring 3 schools that we're passing the rents to.
There's a lot of camaraderie. There are a lot of networking opportunities, relationship building, and when you're in the industry, that happens every day. You build a network of coworkers, they have your back.
If you like to work with your hands and you get a high off of fixing things, this job is for you. The fact is, we maintain 966 aircraft in our fleet, and anyone can do that job. This is a great job and a great career path if you choose it.